One of the things you need to always do with LVT is have it acclimate. And what acclimate means is you need to put that material in your space 24 to 48 hours ahead of time. This gets it to the right temperature. While LVT is durable, drastic temperature changes can cause havoc on an installation. Now that your substrate is prepped, we need to think about layout. One of the most critical things that we see is not leaving a gap around the perimeter of the room. Your system can be put under tension when there's a dramatic temperature change. And if there's no room in the perimeter, you can have issues like tinting or even have your click system pull apart, creating gaps, and eventually it's gonna all come up. So make sure you read the directions of the LVT that you've purchased to see what gap they suggest around the perimeter. The ones we're looking at here suggest 1/4 of an inch. I've got these spacers that we're gonna put in to space our material away from the wall the appropriate amount. Now you may ask, what do we do about this gap? Well, there's a couple of different situations that you may be in. Maybe you're starting in a room that doesn't have any baseboard installed yet. So what that means is you can put your 1/4 inch gap against the sheetrock or the wood framing, whatever else is there, and you can then put your baseboard on top of your floor directly. Since there's no connection between the baseboard and the LVT, it still allows the LVT to move as it needs and creates a great looking line around the perimeter. But what if your baseboard is installed already and you don't want to pull it off? You can also use a 1/4 round. You space it away from the baseboard and you have that 1/4 inch gap around your room, and you take your shoe molding or 1/4 round and you have that put on top. If you got value out of this LVT video, click that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, do it. And the next step is to click right here. Let's keep learning together and tile LVT the world.